Hello everyone, my name is Avishek Munsi. I am a PhD research scholar at IIT Jodhpur, working in the Transportation Electrification Lab under the supervision of Dr. Kunwar Aditya. My paper, which is entitled as The Design and Implementation of Wireless Charging Infrastructure for Autonomous Drone Charging. Presently, drones are being increasingly adapted for a wide range of applications such as surveillance and military purposes, infrastructure monitoring, agricultural purposes, firefighting purposes, and package delivery. However, due to the limited flight time of the drone, which is around 20 to 30 minutes, this frequent recharging requires and which is not a permanent solution for it. To address this challenge, we propose a wireless charging solution. This is the conceptual block diagram of the proposed system where this is the transmitter side and this is the receiver side, and in the transmitter side there is a high frequency inverter and there is a transmitter coil from where the power is wirelessly transferred into the receiver coil, which is then sent into the charger and the BMS system to charge the drone. So now moving on to the hardware setup. We are supplying the transmitter side inverter with a DC power supply, and this is the inverter which is entirely designed in-house and includes advanced features such as overcurrent protection, over temperature shutdown, and integrated voltage and current sensing on the transmitter side. This is the transmitter coil pad, and the receiving coil which you see is mounted underneath the drone. The coil which is connected to the rectifier circuit which charges the drone's battery. This is the latest version of the rectifier which is currently under testing, includes integrated sensing capabilities and will replace the existing model in future iteration. We have also developed an indigenous battery management system that is integrated with the drone's battery for real-time monitoring and protection. Finally, you can see on the oscilloscope on the first one, that is the transmitter side voltage and current, on the second card the receiver side voltage and current. Now on the second oscilloscope you can able to see that the battery current and the battery voltage. So this is all the autonomous drone charging setup. Thank you everyone. I hope you all like our autonomous drone charging setup.